we can show percentages on bar models. So if we have 100%, we can show a full bar. And then if we have 50%, we can show a bar half the size of that, because 50 plus 50 is 100, or because 50 is half of 100. So if we need to find 50%, we can divide by 2. Now, with 25%, we can show a bar a quarter of the size of our 100% bar, because 4 quarters, or 25%, 4 times, makes 100%. So, if we need to find 25% of a number, we can divide by 4. Now, with 20%, we can show 5 20%s, showing the same size as 100%. That's because if we have 20% 5 times, we have 100%. So 20% is 1/5 of 100%. So to find 20%, we can divide by 5. So how could we work out 50% of 596? Remember, a percentage is a fraction with a denominator of 100, but if we simplify 50 hundredths by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the highest common factor, we get 1/2, so we can find 50% of 596 by dividing by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2 remainder 1, 19 divided by 2 is 9 remainder 1, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 50% of 596 is 298. Now we need to find 25% of 96. 25% is 25 hundredths, but we can simplify that to 1/4. So we can find 25% of a number by dividing it by 4. 9 divided by 4 is 2 remainder 1, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 25% of 96 is 24. Now we need to find 20% of 1800. 20% is 20 hundredths, but we can simplify that to 1/5. So we can find 20% of a number by dividing by 5. Taking the first 2 digits together, 18 divided by 5 is 3 remainder 3, 30 divided by 5 is 6, and 0 divided by 5 is 0. So our answer is 360.